Hello everyone, welcome to the Openhouse Lab Introduction. I'm Louis Gore, the host of this introduction. Welcome Professor Nordling.
Thank you. I founded the Nordling Lab to enable students to improve themselves and our world by following their dreams for the benefit of all living beings. In our lab, we convert data to actionable knowledge, construct models that give insight, develop problem-specific software, and build prototypes for commercialization. Currently, we have artificial intelligence, data science, and systems and synthetic biology projects. Welcome to join our lab.
Thank you for the introduction. The topics of the lab sounds fascinating. Let's go and explore it. Okay, let's welcome the first researcher, Jack.
Hi, I'm Jack Wang. I'm a master's student researching video-based non-contact heart rate estimation. Each heartbeat causes the blood volume in vessels to change periodically, resulting in a subtle variation in skin color. We use this variation to estimate the heart rate in facial videos. The challenge in this project is that the desired signal is weak. Moreover, varying illumination and motion can lead to serious nonlinear distortions. Existing algorithms are therefore not reliable enough for clinical usage. This technology could reduce the risk of infection while monitoring, which might be fatal to certain subjects with fragile skin such as preterm babies. Here is a short demo. This is the column map obtained from face alignment. And this is RPPG signal extracted from the video. These are PPG and ECG ground truth signals measured by vital signs monitor. In these two signals, we can observe a phase difference because they are actually measured from different regions, and high-frequency characteristics are absent in the RPPG signal because of the bandpass filtering we use. If you are interested in this project, welcome to join our lab.
Okay, let's go to find the second researcher. Okay, let's welcome the second researcher, Jose.
Hello, I am Jose Ramon Chang and I am a PhD student working on artificial intelligence and deep learning. In the past few years, deep learning has proven to outperform traditional algorithms for many computer vision tasks. This can be attributed to the ability of this network to extract useful information from the input due to hierarchical feature learning. In the demonstration, we aim to inspire and teach state-of-the-art deep learning techniques to bachelor students.
Here, we use the fast region-based CNN algorithm to detect a basketball across all the video frames. Based on the image, the algorithm draws a bounding box showing where the object is located in the image.
This technology has many interesting applications such as pedestrian localization for autonomous vehicles, landmark detection in satellite images, and tuberculosis detection in X-ray images. Welcome to join our lab and learn AI techniques.
Okay, let's go and find the next researcher. Hi everyone, I'm Greg. Let's welcome the third researcher, Esteban.
Hello, I'm Esteban Roman from Chile. I am a PhD student working on quantifying the motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease. After Alzheimer's, it is the most common neurodegenerative disease in the world. 1% of the population over 60 years suffers because of it. This means bad life quality for the elderly with Parkinson's disease and also an increasing economical cost for the country. Come on. I will show now one of the experiments we are conducting to gather video data. We are recording on slow motion for the analysis. Greg will be our subject today. Greg, please sit comfortably and I will ask you to open your hand as fast and as much as you can, like this. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start recording.
Thank you for the great demonstration.
You're welcome, Greg. The idea here is to be able to accurately quantify the disease in a digital twin that enables adjustment of medication and better control for the patient so his life quality is improved. Being able to contribute to the improvement of people's life quality is the major reason why I am doing this PhD.
Now, let's welcome the researchers who do not demonstrate in this video.
Hello, I'm Zhang Shunjie. My research topic is origami-inspired mechanism design. Origami is the ancient art of folding paper into beautiful figures. Traditionally, origami has been static. However, engineers focused on creating dynamic origami models with normal motion. For example, this is a foldable solar cell array model. When I open it, the surfaces are increased. This makes it a space-efficient design for spacecraft.
Hello, I'm Yuhan Wu. I'm a researcher working on systems biology. Molecular binding can be investigated cost-effectively using DNA or protein microarray. This technology is, for example, used in drug discovery. I apply computer vision and statistical method to improve the analysis of microarray fluorescence images.
Hello, I'm Zhenghui Chen, a PhD student doing systems and synthetic biology research. My aim is to construct mathematical models of genetic circuits in body yeast to enable the application of control theory on predicting the yield of desired proteins. We obtain information of the cell from the experimental records and analyze the data to identify a model that could better explain the behaviors of the cell.